I'm Travis, this is my wife Katie. We have 3 boys aged 11, 5 and 3.
When we bought the house, we probably should have got the kitchen done straight away.
It needed doing then, over time deteriorated.
For us, it was just so much more important that we had a kitchen that was robust so it could withstand our big family. The first step was going to the Howdens Expo in Raws, which was really useful for us because it allowed us to pick out the features that we really liked. We knew we needed to find a builder, so that was when we contacted Ed.
Yeah, I rang him. He'd had previous experience with Howdens before and was happy to do the job.
We were offered the free home survey, so one of the designers came to the house and measured up the kitchen. She helped us think about our priorities and the things that we really wanted from the kitchen.
We then went to the depot and saw the CAD designs, and for me that's when I really got excited. I could see the kitchen. The pantry being in the corner will sort of make breakfast time feel a bit more like family time. Like,
definitely.
It's such a busy household. If everyone can sort of help themselves to a breakfast or help themselves to toast, cereal.
It's made our lives much easier in the mornings, hasn't it?
But in general, I think everything just feels so much easier being able to sort of navigate around the kitchen and find everything.
Yeah, definitely.